I love how it's like all blacked out, man. What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C. Will back at it with another slight video, man. Look, today's video, y'all, we're gonna be heading out to Victorville, man. Right, we gotta get our tail lights tinted, bro. So yeah, man, look, I appreciate everybody, bro, who stopped in on the last video, man. That video is already at 1,000 views, man. So appreciate y'all for stopping in, bro. Bringing y'all way back to the channel. You know what I mean? If y'all haven't seen that video, go check that video out, man. It's a lot of good information, very informative, man. Try to put y'all on game, like how much a person like myself make, 9 years in the Army, all that, bro. Staff sergeant, whatever. Cool, you know, like a lot of y'all, man. A lot of y'all left some great comments, bro. Appreciate y'all. A lot of y'all left some, oh, C. Will broke. Bro, y'all listen, if C. Will was broke, C. Will wouldn't be on his second Hellcat. If C. Will was broke, C. Will wouldn't own the ZL1. If C. Will was broke, man, I can go on and on and on. But look, you ain't gonna make everybody happy in life, man. Everybody ain't gonna be proud of you, bro. You know, people you don't even know, right? 90% of y'all CEEFAM is proud of me, happy for me. Leave good information in the comments, comment, like every video. Appreciate that. A lot of y'all, I'll say 10% of y'all hate on every video. People that don't even know me, you know what I mean? And 9 times out of 10, if you see me in person, you probably wouldn't even talk to me like that. I promise you. You know what I mean? But a lot of y'all insecure with y'all life, hate y'all life, not where y'all want to be at in life, so y'all hide behind these pages and y'all, you know what I mean, just comment BS, which is fine, bro. Not everybody gonna be happy for you, you know, but hey, appreciate all y'all, man, that support me and rock with me, bro. All I do is come on here and I just spew like positivity, I spew motivation, I spew like, man, if you can do it, bro, like, well, if I can do it, you can do it, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, y'all, look, just show y'all the whip right now, man. So as of right now, bro, we got just the red, you know, stock standard tail lights, bro. I'm gonna have them debadge this right here, the actual Dodge, right? And then yeah, gonna put some good dark tail light tint on there, y'all. So yeah, man, it's 8:04 in the morning right now, y'all. 8:04 in the morning. I'm up grinding, bro. I'm supposed to be there at 9, so I might have the speed there, man. But look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Y'all see the car in the back, bro. You know what I mean? Liking the video is free. Subscribing to the channel is free. Turn on that bell too, right? So y'all can stay alerted of everything, all my videos and all that. So yeah, I'll holla at y'all, man. Oh yeah, just put up, man, to the tint place, bro. They do tint, wheels, everything, man. So I don't know if y'all can see that, bro, but it's called Ultimate Tint and Wheel, man, up here in Victorville, bro. So yeah, just giving them a shout out, bro. A lot of people be like, man, I'm not shouting them out if they don't sponsor me. Now, I'm not into all that, man. Like, I show love to good people, man. So yeah, just pulled up. It's 9:08. Well, yeah, just talked to the woman. She said everything cool. So yeah, finna giving them the car keys, man, and then go from there, y'all. So sheesh, it's hard trusting people, man, with the car keys, bro. I swear to God, man. But yeah, hey, let's get to it. All right, CEEFAM, let's go in here, man. Had to get the family right and give them the keys, man. Give them the good key. Oh snap! All right, here goes the keys.
Thank you.
No problem, man.
All right, have a good one.
Oh yeah, you too. You mind if I just walk around like a little bit? I don't know if it's okay if I record. Okay, appreciate it. Just want to walk around, show everybody what y'all do. It's nice. Yeah, they do all kind of rap. Man, should we get a wrap on the vehicle, man? I like something crazy like this. This board here is nice. Oh, that gold. That gold is fire too. Jeez. Or like some kind of chain shift or something like that. It's nice. All of these are nice. Yeah, they do wheels here, man. Everything. Dang. Look at all these, man. Yeah, one-stop shop. It looked like CEEFAM. One-stop shop, man. Like, I really want to start making connections, which is kind of too late. You know what I mean? Because shit, I'm about to dip from here and go to Germany, man. I don't know if I told y'all boys, but yeah, we about to go to Germany, man, in November, y'all. So yeah, they got off-roading wheels, everything. So it's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. How you doing, boss? So yeah, y'all, about to go eat while we wait, and then yeah, take it from there, bro. So let's get it. Damn, my boy right here driving her away. See? Yeah, that thing gonna look good, bro. It's gonna look good whenever it come back. Real good. Yeah, like I said, shout out Ultimate Tint and Wheel. So yeah, just walking around, bro. Trying to buy time, man, you know. Got Ford over there. I might see if I can go find a damn GT5 Hyundai. GT500. Hey, hold on, boy.
Wait.
I feel like I got no car. It's tough. All kind of Mustangs I just did. Everybody outside, man. Everybody outside. So, yeah, just buying time, bro. Nike on, man. Light work. All right, y'all, look. We're at this place right now called Tom's. I don't even know. Tom's in Victorville, man. This bit look like it's smack. But horchata, 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10, bro. I would not recommend. I like horchata sweet, but I don't know. But yeah, this bit looks straight though. You know, old school type vibe, old school vibe. Just trying to buy time, man. It's breakfast time right now. 9:44. So yeah, man. Got the TV and stuff up there. Come on, man. $14.99 for all of this. You got the hash brown CEEFAM. You got the eggs with the cheese in. I like my eggs scrambled, bro. The bacon, the sausages, and you got the ham. Cheese with the baby pancakes. What you got? That's okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Biscuits and gravy and French toast, man. Jesus. Paid about 40 something. I think it was like 47 altogether, but that's okay though. It's good. Appreciate that. Jesus Christ. Like I said, y'all, this place is called Tom's, man. Tom's, bro. I'm finna go crazy on this bit. Stuff. Come on, man. 9:53 in the morning. It's basically brunch right here, bro. Good brunch. Oh yeah, just finished eating, man. Now we at Car Exchange. Yeah, we just browsing the shelves, man. Well, not the shelves. Browsing the rows, man. I kind of wish that, you know, every car dealership was like this. You know what I mean? So 2 people already came up and asked us, hey man, y'all need help, y'all need help. Bro, chill. If we need help, we'll definitely come to you. I promise, right? But yeah, man, like I said, we just passing time till, oh yeah, it's nice. Just passing time until the car and stuff is done, man. You know, yeah, it's a nice little dealership, man. Got all the SUVs on this side, all the regular sedans and stuff on the other side. So yeah, just passing time, bro. Appreciate y'all boys for stopping in, for sure.
2 hours later.
So yeah, as y'all can see, this boy look pretty good, man. You know, it's really hard to see. Man, look at that. Jeez. Really hard to see, man. But I'm gonna have to show y'all at night, 100%. But yeah, just from right here, y'all, from this angle, bro, I love how it's like all blacked out, man. Nothing better than just all black, stealth look, you know what I mean? So, let me see. You can do the hazards, babe? Alright, I got my wife doing the hazards, bro. Just so y'all can see a little bit at least, you know? Man, this look good. Ooh, come on, man. I'm one of the best to ever do it, man, honestly speaking. So they had basically said, look, don't wash it, nothing like that, for about a week. You know, you kind of want to let the film, like, they said bake on there, so just let it sit. I can wash it down, well, not wash it down, I can wipe it down, and all that stuff. But yeah, I had them, like, debadge that Dodge. I'm like, bro, please take that black Dodge off. I kind of want to debadge the whole car. I don't like how this right here is black. But that's neither here nor there, bro. But yeah, this boy look good, though, man. Comment down below, tell me what y'all think. And like I said, I'm going to definitely come back and show y'all how it look whenever it hit nighttime, bro. Because I feel like during the day, you can only see it if I'm like turning to the left, turning to the right. But yeah, man, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let y'all see how that boy look at nighttime. At night it's gonna be crazy. So yes, sir. One more time. And man, they did it like way better than me, you know, way better than me. So yeah, man, let's get to it, bro.
2 hours later.
Alright, CEEFAM, so look, man, back at the crib, just finished washing the car, all that, bro. It's dark outside, right? The whole point was to show y'all how the car look in the dark, man, how the tail lights look in the dark. You hear me? Really don't pop until you see it in the dark, man. So, you know, without further ado, Come on, man, I got the keys. Let's go start it up, bro. I'm gonna give y'all kind of like a semi cold start, bro. The car been parked for about 2 hours since I've been washing it. 2 to 3 hours, bro. So yeah, let's get to it, man. You know, we got the barber shop, man. Don't worry about the shop, you heard me. But yeah, this bitch finna be loud, boy. Yeah, just watch that thing, see fam. Hope y'all can hear me. It's a little windy out here right now, man. So yeah, super dark, which is the point of the video, man. It's all good. So yeah, this boy finna be loud. I hate doing this, but hey, somebody gotta do it. But yeah, like I said, bro, hey, I hate doing this, but somebody got to do it out here, man. Ain't nobody else out here to do it. Probably got the loudest car on the block. But yeah, CEEFAM, bro, let me know what y'all think, man. This boy look nice, bro, so let me back up, So this right here is exactly what I did to my other Charger, bro. My other red eye I had, well, my other Hellcat, bro. So yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. I think it looked fire, bro. That's the only reason why I had got it. Some people gonna say, oh man, you know, it's a bumblebee type thing. Yo, it's honeycomb, bro. It's honeycomb pattern. All right, I'm gonna put the link down below where I got this from. All right, it's a website called Lux Auto Concept, man, out of Louisiana, bro. You heard me? That's where I'm from. So yeah, they shipped it out, man. You know, shout out to the Tint place. Niggas like Ultimate Wheel and Tint, Ultimate Tint and Wheel. Them boys got me right, bro. For about 120, I only paid 120 for this. So it might look like it's only right here where the light is at, but yo, it's literally everywhere, bro. Let me see. Everywhere, man. So literally all over this. Y'all probably seen earlier. It's like the whole thing is like that, bro. So if I put my turn signal on, you'll see it. If I stop and all that crazy, you'll see it, you know. But yeah, CEEFAM, like I said, bro, let me know what y'all think. You know, this gonna catch a lot of people eye at night. I'm telling y'all, a lot of people eye at night. So yeah, man. Sheesh. All right, bro. Let me. Yeah, that boy is loud. He quiet neighborhood too, boy. But yeah, man. Appreciate y'all boys for stopping in. You heard me? Man, the car look a lot better now, y'all. Unfortunately, y'all can't see it, but yeah, that green popping, bro. I had to move my wife's car out there, bro. Said park my stuff right here. Appreciate her for letting me do that. My car usually at the street. Crazy enough, bro. $80,000 car parked at the street. It's wild, bro. But yeah, CEEFAM, look, appreciate y'all boys for stopping in. Appreciate everybody for tuning in, staying locked in, bro. Thank everybody for y'all support. Without y'all, I'm nothing. I know YouTubers say that, bro, but man, like, I've been real inconsistent with YouTube, man. So the fact that y'all still here rocking with me says a lot about y'all, you hear me? So hey, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like it, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all comment, man. Road to 10K, trying to hit 10K before I go to Germany. So we gotta ship the car to Germany in like November. So boy finna be on the Autobahn going crazy, bro. So look, man, I'll holla at y'all boys next time. It's your boy C Will, and y'all CEEFAM. Yes, sir.